how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw an Among Us Christmas. It's going to be an Among Us crewmate with a Christmas hat. Super easy, really, really easy. So if you're a complete beginner and don't even know how to draw, you will be able to draw this with me. It's going to be step by step, and it's only an 8-minute video, so it's incredibly short. So stick around and let's get started, okay? First thing I'm going to do, oh, actually, before that, don't forget to hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. That's going to let you know when I post. If you like stuff like Among Us or pretty much anything else, you will, any other cartoon, I'm going to do a video on it. So, all right, let's get started. First thing I do is I'm going to start with a curved line at the top here for the visor itself. Going over here around the corner, curve along the side here. Over here to the left over here, and on this side. I'm going to go over here underneath. So. Line up for kind of just the forehead area. So just kind of looking at the visor, to me it looks like a pillow shape, you know. So think of it as something like that. I'm gonna draw the bottom of the brim of the hat, excuse me, and it's gonna be over here, right? Just got wobbly shape. Go around the corner right here, curve over here, curve around the top, maybe one more, and I'm going to go over here at the top of that as well. So now you have that brim of that hat pretty much all the way across. Gonna go to the front over here, and I'm gonna draw a straight line down to the ground over here. It's gonna slightly curve. Go over here to the back, line over here, line down. Make it maybe about the same length or so. Going around here, and I'm gonna pull underneath for the front foot. Up. It looks like a marshmallow foot pretty much, or it just has like teddy bear feet. So same thing on this side. Just these teddy bear feet are just kind of like that. Pulling in. Over here to the left. Up. That Christmas hat. Over here on this side for the other side of that hat. Whew, excuse me. Curve over. Right? And we're going to have the ball of the hat kind of resting over here behind. Okay. So I'm going to find the backpack next. I'm going to go from here to here. If you're finding this video relatively simple and easy, don't forget hit the like. When you hit the like, it's going to kind of like help the algorithm out. It's also going to let me know what else to draw on the channel. But line over here, and I'm going to find the halfway point between this, maybe about here or so ish. And I'm not going to put anything down, but I'm going to move back slowly, put a line over here. Down at the bottom here. And I'm going to go out, curve in here for the backpack. The backpack itself, to me, kind of looks like a loaf of bread or something you stuck on his back. I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to draw the shine on the, it's supposed to be a reflective surface. So I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of curve a bowl shape over here. If you want to make it look a little bit more like a different, you could increase the thickness in the middle of it and then pull it out here. Kind of sharpen it out here. Over here at the top, circle at the top there. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually I'm going to stickerify this. I'm going to make it more like a sticker. So I'm going to throw one thick line around the outer side of this. Just on the outer side. So I'm going to thick line, and then it's going to kind of keep all the complexity on the inside of it, and it's going to make the complexity on the inside of this look better. And I just kind of like the look. This is a style thing. You don't have to do this, but I do recommend it. Stickerify. That's just like a term I made up, by the way. So line over here at the top. Like so. Just gonna keeping it as clean and as I possibly can, right? Because the whole idea of drawing is you want to make it clean for the viewer, so it's understandable to the viewer. So that's kind of like the biggest part of it. To get it, like I said, clean. I'm pretty happy that Christmas is coming up. If you want some goodies, go check out the description. There's a free ebook on how to draw cute stuff, and I'm gonna start coming out with some more stuff on my Gumroad. I haven't really come up with anything on my Gumroad, but I'm gonna start coming out with something like Gumroad soon. I don't know what yet though. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do yet, but the Gumroad is gonna be worked on. So if you give me ideas for what you want, I will try to develop them. And I'm gonna pull maybe even though I said only the outside, I'm gonna thicken this a little bit, but not as thick as the lines on the outside. And another thing you can do is draw like a line underneath it, like a flat line here, like he's standing up somewhere. Maybe like a little bit of a thickish line here, because it's like it can look like a shadow, right? He's just standing there waiting. Anyways, that is it. I want to thank you very much for being around. You guys are awesome. Everybody's super nice. The channel's growing rapidly. I'm actually shocked how rapidly it's growing. I hit 150,000 followers. Now I'm after 200,000 followers. Definitely, share the video if you did enjoy it. It'll help out the channel. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much. Remember your drawing. I want you to remember what you love in drawing when you do this stuff. This stuff shouldn't be too hard of work. It should be enjoyable. So remember, when you're drawing, keep it like easy. And like if you keep it fun, it will usually be easy when you do that. If you keep it fun, it will be easy, okay? Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. See you later.